Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can create high quality backlinks. So the first website name is sites.pr/py.ru. So this is a website URL. So on this website we can create a profile backlink, and also this website have additional feature so you can list your websites, and this site will help you for the crawlability to increase your website crawlability. It will be help you for the indexing your website on Yandex and Google and any another. Also this site have multiple um, search engines support. Okay, so this is a website URL. So before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 80, and I try to search this website authority on Moj, but they don't have enough data. Okay, so sorry, they have enough data, but I exceeded my search limit. So there I exceeded my search limit. You can see exceeded your search limit, so that's why. So now we can start. Before we can check this website traffic, so around 17.6K monthly traffic this website having, and the mostly traffic from Russia, Latvia, Ukraine, Belarus, and Netherlands. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the free registration. Click on this. There you can put your email address, then your username, then you guys will choose your password. You can acknowledge the terms and condition, then after click on register button, and after this site will send you the activation email, so you can check your Gmail. Then so click on this green button and you see our account is verified. Now you can upload a profile picture, then after click on save button. And if you're wanting any modification in your account, so go to the account setting, and you see there is an option to you can add. Then after click on save button. Now we can click on this account and profile. Now you can navigate to the my projects. Click on this. Stay for free, and here you can type your project name. Either you can navigate to the traffic and the pricing. So this is a pricing of this website. So you see site panel, click on this site panel, and here we can add our website URL. So you click on the add site. There we can add our website. So there you can add a multiple website. So if you have a multiple website, so you can add, and after click on add site, and you see your site is started adding here. So this will be crawl your website and give you the your indexing status on this dashboard. So there you can see your Yandex, how many pages are indexed in Yandex, X, Google, Backlink, and the Alexa. These are the multiple things. And if I can click on this URL, so it will be navigate you to this interface, and you see this is your custom your website crawling URL, and this will take a couple of time to crawl your website all pages. Then after you see your all data here. Okay, so overall this is the process to how you can create your profile backlink in this website, and how you can list your website for the crawling, and from there you can analyze your website URL's status, so how it will be performing, what is the loading speed, technical conditions, search queries. So there you can audit your all things. So how many visitors your website having, views, and the traffic from countries. You can analyze many data like your IP addresses, years, and you see HTML loading speed. So this is HTML loading speed. And if I can show you another thing, so this website have many things and the many details, so you can audit your website. Okay, and you see there is my project. So if you can click, then you see your all projects here. So you know how you can create your backlink and how you can crawl your website in this website. So overall, this is the process to how you can create a backlink and the crawling in this website. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So now we can navigate to the next website. So the next website name is forumfactory.com. So let's see this website domain rating. So this website domain rating is 73, and we don't have a search limit. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 553.5k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Germany, UK, Russia, Canada, and another country. Okay, so first thing, you guys will click on the register button. Click on I agree to these terms. Then there you can put your username. Then here you can type your email address. Then you can choose your password. Click on the submit button, and your account is created. Now the site will send you the activation email, so you can check your Gmail, and you can click on this link to verify your account. So our account is now activated. Now we can click on the login button. So here you can fill your login detail. Then after, click on the login button. So our account is created. Now this is the discussion panel. So if you wanting to search anything related to your industry, so you can search from there. Like you can search marketing. So you see these are the marketing related discussion. Jump to the post, so you can click on this. Jump to the post, so you have jumped on this post, so you can copy this thread. So they logged a reply on this discussion. So what we can do, we can go back, we can search any another. Let's see, they are open. Yeah, so they are open for the reply commenting. So you can search this discussion, and you can paste here, generate reply comment, and naturally talk about CML training, and the website URL. You can also, if your website are not too popular, so you can include the website URL. Then after, click on the enter button. So ChatGPT will give you the short comment, and you can copy your comment, and you can paste here. Click on the post reply, and then here you can paste your comment. And if you wanting, so you can hyperlink your keyword, so you can select, and you see there is a link button, so there you can paste your website URL. Then after, click on the submit button, and you see your message has been submitted successfully, but it will be need to approved by a moderator before it is publicly visible. So their team will be review your comment, then they will approve. So you are able to see your comment publicly. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your forum backlink in this website, and how you can create your website profile and crawling backlink in this website. So overall, this is the process to how you can create a backlink on these websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, So then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so please you can hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly and the consistent video for you guys. So I hope you guys will help me something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.